Hello friends, in this particular episode, we'll see what are the other features which are there in the Constitution of Malta. Religious teaching of Roman Catholic faith would be provided in all government schools as part of the compulsory education. Courts will function in Maltese language. Special scholarship for deserving students who are not financially sound. Disabled persons are entitled to education and vocational training. Dual citizenship is permitted. In certain criminal cases, trial in the court is conducted in the native language of the accused. Arrested person has to be produced before the court within 48 hours from the time of arrest. The interpretation of court is mentioned in Constitution. There is an office of Ombudsman. Amendment to certain article has to be done by conducting national referendum. Every law shall be enacted in Maltese and English language, and in case of conflict, Maltese text would prevail. Attorney General is appointed by President on the advice of Prime Minister. Auditor General is appointed by President in accordance with resolution passed by House of Representatives. The interpretation of Constitutional Court is mentioned in the Constitution. So friend, these were certain other features which are there in the Constitution of Malta. Thank you.